Doll makers can be traced to Nuremberg in Germany from as early as 1413. Several depictions of German doll makers exist from the 15th century. And as soon as Jamaican generations began to develop into their own unique blend of melting pot, craftspeople start to create dolls. The first set of dolls were made from cloth, rags, and stuffed with feathers, sponge, or scraps of cloth. Others are carved from wood. The Jamaicans would get creative, and make the stuffed dolls to reflect on how outsiders see them. The dolls were made to be black or brown, with their head wrapped in turbans. Some had Rasta hair curls or afro. The majority of the dolls had painted on red lips. Most Jamaicans enjoy the tradition of giving dolls as gifts to children for special occasions like birthdays and holidays. Some are given to friends, family, adults, and travelers as souvenirs. Dolls have been a part of Jamaicans for a long time, and nowadays, there are millions of Jamaican dolls available in different shapes and sizes with a wide range of prices. Jamaica has its own doll store called Island Dolls, and they have launched their first patois-speaking, meaning broken English dolls. The patois-speaking Jamaican reggae dolls were officially launched in 2017. The dolls are boasted to be true representations of the Jamaican culture. These dolls have an impact on our little girls as they show off their kinky hair, broad noses, and their gorgeous thick lips, thus teaching them to accept their beautiful features, said the creator. The Miss Lou dolls that sing "Dis Long Time Gal Me Never See You" were first launched in 2003, but were relaunched in 2017. The dolls speak about the unique Jamaican culture and the excellent sportsmen and women